Alright guys, so I'm gonna be cutting my exhaust. I know it's fucking retarded, but I want to do it. I want to see how it sounds. So we went to buy this the blade for it, because the one we had obviously is not for cutting metal. So right here in my buddy's garage, the one with the SI, he's right there.
What's up, guys?
Freaking pick up the car. Obviously I'm recording and not picking the car up. Yeah, we'll get back to you guys whenever the cutting process starts. Alright guys, we're about to cut this bitch right here. Hopefully my girl don't get mad at me. And let's hope this shit doesn't sound like a fucking ricer and shit. Alright, let's do this shit. Well, now I'm trying to get the angle on this motherfucker. Is that gonna work? Oh.
Oh. Hey, watch your head though. Did it cut all the way through?
Almost.
Okay, yeah, it's still pinned in right here on the side, so just watch your head, 'cause I don't know if it's gonna swing down or not. It shouldn't, but
You just scared me now.
No, because look, there's a pin here holding it. I'll put it on the video right here.
Oh, is the pin on this side too?
Okay, yeah, so I'm just saying, but like if it tilts down, you know?
Well, hopefully it doesn't.
Yeah.
Hey, but what about the pipe though?
What pipe?
Will this pipe tilt?
It shouldn't.
And then we're gonna have to.
Well, that's too late now. You already fucking cut it.
We're gonna have to put something to hold it up, no?
No, because it's not a heavy part. You know what I mean?
Oh,
because this is the heavy part.
Okay, we'll see right now. We fucking straight fucked it up.
It started too late. You already went like halfway. You're almost done.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh fuck. We almost got it, guys. We're gonna probably fuck this shit up. You know what we fucked up? The before and after video. Fuck.
Watch you shoot flames.
Oh, this was so watching shoot flames.
I'm just. You already turboed. You might.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Don't like. Just turn it on.
I'm getting in. Guys, we're actually driving it, and it sounds pretty good, man. It's not bad at all. It sounds real good. It's like a, I don't know what you want to say, bro. Deep noise, or I don't know. I know you guys probably hear what shit out. And it farts. Just know it farts too. Let's go down here by Mean or whatever.
Yeah, make this left.
I'm gonna put this shit on a stick. Let me see if I want to take it off of simulation right here. There we go. It picks up pretty quick. It picks up quick as fuck on 260 now. It's like it don't even struggle at all. And how much did this cost us, bro? This mod? This mod
$4.
$4.
$4.
Not 1,500, $4. Or even 500 bucks. Or even 100 for a straight pipe. Alright guys, we got it done. Car sounds pretty good. Here's the fucking tools that we had to do and shit. Sorry about that. Fucking, we had to buy this blade here. Got this big ass 60-pound whatever metal crap there, but it came out good so far, and I like it.
I like it too.
I like it with $4. Didn't cost me a straight pipe
$4
or a cut, yeah, or a cutout. Well, hey, I'm gonna be getting a cutout, guys. 2 months from now, but I'll be getting it. So you're gonna be hearing that loud noise. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed.